Okay, welcome to Happy Angel Reading. This reading is for Cancer, your next 10 days. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading. And what is coming to Cancer the next 10 days? The next 10 days on your career and love life. Okay, you have Judgment in reverse, Star, it's also in reverse. Cancer, Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Cancer, your next 10 days, career and love life. Hermit, Cancer, next 10 days. 5, 10 of, this is 10 of Swords in reverse and 5 of Wands in reverse. There might some lingering conflict on the next 10 days. Especially have the Judgment reverse here. No, so you might be experiencing self-doubt or lack of clarity regarding your career path. You may be questioning maybe your past choices or feeling that you haven't learned from previous experiences. This could manifest as hesitations to make important career decisions, or you might feeling stuck within the next in the next 10 days. So it's a call to a honest self-assessment, or perhaps you're struggling to be objective. No, parang you're gonna have a lack of clarity. You don't know what to do if you chosen to quit on your work or job, no? Then you have the Star in reverse. So this indicate a very reluctant to begin something new, perhaps due to fear or lack of planning, or a feeling of being unprepared. So Cancer, your next 10 days, you might be holding yourself back from taking a leap of faith, full of fear and worries, especially in your career. Even if its opportunities are present, you are fear to go on with this. There could be let's say a sense of being lost or directionless. So when it comes to your new professional venture, no, so you might losing hope. And you got also the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Cancer. So this card telling about your career, parang your points of feeling of a little bit dissatisfactions despite of potential material success or lack of true independence and let's say fulfillment from your work. So you might be working hard but not feeling genuinely rewarded, or perhaps you're relying too much on external validations rather than finding inner contentment. So it could also suggest some financial instability, no? And you also have here the Hermit. This is a strong indicator that you need to retreat and reflect deeply on your career goals and aspirations. You might feel need to step back from hustle and bustle to gain clarity. So these introspections can lead to a deeper understanding of what truly aligns with your purpose and what changes you need to make for a long-term satisfactions. Parang you only the one who could answer it. Then you have the Ten of Swords in reverse. So this is a very positive sign for career. While the upright of the Ten of Swords actually signifies some painful ending, and you got the reverse here, it's also say that the worst is over. So you are coming out of a difficult period, perhaps a project that failed, a stressful job situations, or a period of intense burnout. So this reversal indicates you're rising from the ashes. So ready to rebuild and overcome past challenges. There's a strong sense of difficult chapter closing, allowing for a new beginning. No? Parang the hardship is done. You are arising now. Parang you're ready to a new to begin, and you're not allowing some bullying anymore. No? So you also have here the five of wands. This card, there's might still be some conflict or competitions in your workplace. It could be internal, which is struggling with your own conflicting ideas, or external, you might have some disagreement with colleagues, or this could be also a power struggle. While we have the ten of swords reverse, which indicates an end of major struggle, and the five of wands, this is actually suggests there might be some minor skirmishes, or let's say creative difference, so you'll need to navigate. So in your career, your next 10 days here, you're emerging from a tough period, but you're being called to deeply reflect on your true career desires. So there may be some lingering conflict or self-doubt, but the path to a more fulfilling career lies into introspections and being alone, no? And because we have the hermit, there may be some conflict, yes, but you need to isolate yourself to hustle and bustle, no? And the worst is over. Always remember that, and you're now in a position to reevaluate and make more aligned choices, no? So let's go to your love life, since actually you have the judgment, which is reverse. So in your love life, this could indicate a struggle to forgive past mistakes, either yours or your partner, or an unwillingness to see the truth about the relationship. So you might be judging yourself or other too harshly, preventing you from moving forward. It could also suggest lack of self-awareness about your role in a relationship, in its dynamic, no? And you also have the star in reverse, which is, we call it the fool in reverse. This might suggest actually a fear of commitment, or reluctant to embark on a new relationship, or in your new journey when it comes to your love life, even if it feels right, no? So to those who single, you might be holding back from putting yourself out there. You're scared, no? You're fearing it, maybe due to your past relationship. So to those who is in a relationship, you might be resisting taking the next step or approaching your connections with an open and trusting heart. So you have the nine of pentacles, uh, in reverse, no? So this is lack of self-sufficiency, or feeling of being unfulfilled in your personal life outside of a relationship. So you might be looking for someone else to complete you, rather than finding contentment within yourself. So if you're in a relationship, it could indicate a feeling of isolations or lack shared enjoyment of life's comfort. Then you have the hermit here, which is just similar to the career. So this is advises a period of solitude and self-reflections regarding your relationship. So you might need to step back from dating or social pressure to understand what you truly need and want in partner. If you're in a relationship, you might need to take time to understand your own feelings and need perhaps separate from your partner from a short period temporarily. No? So at least you could have self introspection, as like the hermit telling you, no? So the five of wands, this is a potential arguments and disagreement, or general sense of conflict in your love life. You might gonna have some disagreement with your partner, no? If you're and you might be actually experiencing some frictions or struggle to communicate effectively. So to those who single, you might be finding dating to be a competitive or frustrating experience to you. So Cancer, your next 10 days, overall your love life here, you are actually coming out of a period of significant emotional strain in your love life. While the worst is over, there might be still be some lingering conflict, or let's say some internal struggle you need to address. So, emphasis on taking time to self reflections and healing before rushing into anything new or trying to force resolutions. So, understanding your own needs and boundaries will be crucial for fostering healthier connections. No? Okay, Cancer, if you have them, I'm inviting you to attend our live streaming. So, make sure you hit the notifications bell so you'll be updated for when we're gonna do the live. No? And good luck and have a nice day to you.